Hey guys, are you looking for a potent hair growth oil that is going to change your hair journey, that is going to change your lifestyle? Then please subscribe to this channel. I have the best recipe for you. Today we are doing an aloe vera hair growth oil, and this oil is so potent, is so powerful. I'm using only 3 ingredients, but the main ingredient here is aloe vera. Now let's get into it. So first of all, you have to make sure your aloe vera is well washed. Like, you should wash it, because when you cut aloe vera fresh from the stem, you realize there are some yellowish color, which is not very good. It can be very itchy, that yellowish color. So you wouldn't want to put that thing in your hair. So make sure you wash your aloe vera off very well. You can do this by just soaking it in water for about 10 or 5 minutes, and then just throw the water away and do that twice, and you are done. You also realize that there will be a color change, that you know that okay, your aloe vera is releasing its toxins. Once the color goes back to clear, it means your aloe vera is clean. It's very important to wash your aloe vera. So once you are done washing your aloe vera, you get ready to cut it into smaller pieces, depending on the strength of your blender, because we'll be blending this recipe. Blender, because if you don't blend it, you will not be able to get maximum nutrients from the aloe vera. You can just cut it and then follow up with the next process, but then blending it gives you much access to a lot of nutrients in the aloe vera. And you can see how I am really focusing on cutting it into smaller pieces, because I wouldn't want my blender to be stressed so much with it in terms of blending it. So why are we using aloe vera for your hair? Aloe vera is extremely important. Like, aloe vera can help you grow your hair very fast. It's a natural herb. You can use the gel, you can use the skin as aloe vera powder, you can use it for so many things. Once you put it in your blender, do not use water, because we are turning this into an oil. So you have to use a carrier oil, and in this video I'm using olive oil and coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but then make sure that it is oil that your hair likes. If your hair doesn't like that particular oil, maybe you are going to react differently. And then I go ahead and then blend the aloe vera throughout the oil. Going to the next step is extracting the nutrients from the aloe vera into the oil. So you have to do a method called frying. So here I just put it on low heat in my saucepan, and then allow it to fry, allow it and leave it to fry for the longest time. And it should fry, because if you don't allow it to fry, there will still be water in the oil, and it's going to go bad after a short period of time. So you should allow your oil to fry really well. To know if it is well fried, you see that there will be a lot of smokes on the surface, but just leave it to sit down and then fry. Leave it to fry. It's important for it to be infused properly before you use it. This is the 2 ingredients I added, and they are very optional. I added hibiscus leaves and fenugreek seeds. These are so optional, but are very potent for added benefits in your hair growth oil. So why am I using aloe vera? Why is aloe vera important for hair growth oil? Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out and also give you thick hair as you want. You can use this oil to grow your edges, because my goodness, I've tried and tested aloe vera, and I know that it works. Like, aloe vera works magic. If you have aloe vera behind your house, you can just decide to get it and then use it for this oil. So why are we also using fenugreek seeds? Fenugreek seeds also play an important role in helping your hair to fight hair fall and other hair challenges like dryness, baldness, and hair thinning. So you can also add any herbs of your choice. That's why I added fenugreek and hibiscus. Fenugreek seeds can also help you fight dandruff. So if you are adding aloe vera and fenugreek seeds into your hair growth oil, you should know that you are going to receive a lot of benefits, including growth and fighting dandruff. Our final ingredient was hibiscus leaf. Guys, hibiscus leaves also does tremendous benefits for the hair. I've used hibiscus leaves as spray, and I can attest to the fact that hibiscus leaves really does well for the hair. So hibiscus leaves contains so much beneficial ingredients when used as an oil, a mask, or spray. You can use it to strengthen your hair follicles. It will stimulate hair growth and prevent hair fall. So right after my hair like the oil fries a lot, you could tell that it has really fried. There's no water. When you stir it, you know that the aloe vera in it is really dry. Then I allow it to sit down and cool down for a while. So when it cools down, this is how the color becomes. The color becomes green, like really green. Everything has settled down for me to get the extracted aloe vera oil. I sieve it nicely. Depending on the strength or the sieve space, you should make sure that you don't have any residues in your applicator bottle. And guys, bingo, we are done with our hair growth oil. Is this something you are going to try? You can use this oil for your edges. You can use it as a pre-poo. You can use it as anything. Please do well to subscribe. Till next time, bye.